This just in. This is an exciting news update from Bolden. We have a new feature released today. Let me showcase this very quickly. It's called the Vault. Go over to your circle in the right-hand side of the screen into your account settings. If you're interested in signing up for this, you'll want to click that beta tab. And here it is, the Document Vault. See it in action. And you'll have to agree and continue. The Document Vault stores and encrypts your files and uses AI to read them so it can surface insights for your plan. By continuing, you accept our updated privacy policy, which governs how documents are stored, processed, and analyzed. Okay. So what can you upload? You can upload your latest document account statements and see the asset allocation, tax diversification, and what to optimize. It will store your estate documents securely, such as wills, trusts, beneficiary designations, all in one place, and last year's tax return and uncover tax planning strategies you might be missing. So also noteworthy is its bank level security, stored for life, encrypted, in transit, and at rest with AES 256, so you can read about that. And I pulled up the help article to step you through all that it can do. And keep in mind, this is the beginning phase. It is in beta. So right now you're going to upload those documents to Bolden. You can query AI for specific numbers that it can glean from those, such as asset allocation, latest tax return, what to enter on your paycheck, and so forth. And let's just dive into this help article and dissect what it is that's included. You can upload your statements. Those would be your brokerage statements, tax returns, insurance policies, and estate documents. And then once they're in the vault, you can ask Boldin AI questions about what's inside it. The Document Vault is currently in beta again, so make sure that you toggle that on. You're going to click Add a File. You're going to add a file here up to 25 megabytes in any supported file formats, and you can see those file formats below. It'll automatically be encrypted. And then you can ask Boldin AI about it. So what are the supported documents? Investments, taxes, insurance, benefits, estate, and other. Any financial document with information you want to keep organized. Here are the different file formats: PDF, Word, plain text, CSV, JSON, images such as JPEG, JPEG, PNG, and WEBP. Let's dive into the frequently asked questions. Does uploading a document update my plan? No. Currently, it only stores those documents and lets you ask Boldin AI questions about them. It doesn't automatically update the plan. To update your plan, use the relevant section of My Plan. Who can see the documents? The documents are private. How long are my documents stored? As long as you are a Boldin subscriber. So please take advantage of that. And happy planning! More to come. Thanks for tuning in today for this short news update with reflections and real talk. And don't forget, if you're not already a Boldin member, I'll put my affiliate link in the description below and on the screen as well. Using that link helps to support this channel so I can provide news updates and other videos for you at no extra cost to you. Thanks so much for tuning in and have a great day.